Hey kinfolk, today we're making Snickerdoodle Blondies. Let's get baking. For this recipe you will need flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, butter, salt, cream of tartar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Start by adding 12 tablespoons of softened butter to a large bowl, as well as 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Mix everything together, but be careful not to overmix. Next, add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and mix until combined. Fold in 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Be careful not to overmix. Now we're going to make our cinnamon sugar. In a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of sugar with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And set aside for later. Next, grease a 9x9 pan with butter. Add your Snickerdoodle dough to the pan and spread it out evenly. Smooth the top, then sprinkle a generous layer of that cinnamon sugar right over it. Bake at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes until it's golden and set. Allow it to cool, then cut into even squares. And there you have it, Snickerdoodle Blondies. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.